What's up and good morning, guys? Welcome back to another video. Dedek, what are you doing?
Nothing. Don't tell him what I'm doing.
Oh, Dedek is apparently testing his locksmith skills here. He broke into the balcony / opened the balcony that's locked. Now we're trying to figure out what's in this locked cabinet here.
Lockpicking lawyer here. I've got a spring on 1, click on 2, click on 3. I really need to like fix my little pins I made.
Oh, okay, you got this though. You got this.
I'll get my tools later and we'll get this done right.
We can't leave until we get this.
No? Okay. Like, oh, there we go. There we go. Nope, that's not even turning anymore. Damn it.
I'm disappointed in you, Dedek. I'm disappointed in you, buddy.
You got the balcony open.
That's true. The balcony was the important one.
Cooler, yeah. We're breaking into the cleaning closet right now, and you're upset with me on this one?
Okay, guys. Well, day 2 of prep here. We've got some decals. Shout out. We got some decals. Shout out to the homeless Jesus. Dedek, I think your thing took somebody out.
Oh, I hope not.
What was that sound?
Hopefully I wasn't something in that dude's trailer that just wham.
We gotta go put some decals on the Bronco. Very, very important step here. Well, we had to make a bathroom pit stop here, and we got these kids. Cats game. What's the wager? We've been betting all week. Let's go.
We're at the high rollers. $1 game.
$1 game. All right.
$100 a game.
$100 a game. All right. Oh, Dedek's got this. Come on, Dedek.
I'm scared. Come on, dirt. I'm scared.
Wrong move, dog. Wrong move.
Fucking rookie ass move, man.
Wrong move. Another cat's game. All right, we gotta go. Come on, guys. We got work to do. 1, 2, 3, 4. Guaranteed. 1. Dedek's trying to commandeer us a vehicle here. Oh, look for the worn out ones. Which was the worn out ones?
4,
just hit
5,
on.
4,
Just
5,
hit on.
4,
I bet
5,
on. I bet it just turns on.
4580.
We're back in the road armor. I mean, they just need boxes, right? Put some shackles on this thing. Let's borrow some shackles and put them on.
They got the seat clips in them again.
Got a knife.
Wait, hold on. What's this?
A quick release.
Yeah, but there's still clips in them.
Oh.
That is pretty sick, actually. Let's talk about these. So I see here you got a maybe billet.
Shout out to the homies Elevated Motorsports and Shannon and Anthony for getting these decals made for me. I kind of like the look of the Bronco without the decal, but we got to support the homies that support us. So we're going to be installing these right now. It's gonna suck without tape. Get that, buddy.
One of those boots over there.
Yeah, sure. All right, well, it ran away. It's better than my improvised tape here. Thank you for the support. Your hands are hot. What, am I fluffy now?
Whoa.
Why are you squeezing my love handles, man? Chris, give me your finger. Hold it right there.
Where do I put it?
Right there. Most important one right here is this center decal.
Which one?
You know, this nice work for it decal right here, which, you know, we need to put on the website. We need to make these official. You pulled my shorts down, they're falling. Buddy.
Show that support. Show that support real quick.
There we go. Look at that. It is official, guys. Shout out to Autofilm Solutions. This is actually this is pretty much carbonized gray, like to a T. They made some custom vinyl to match the Bronco. I don't like things that are like super in your face. Dual rock, got taken out. I like things that are more subtle, so to me this looks super clean, super subtle, matches the Bronco. They're not like white, crazy, standoutish. This son of a gun over here, trying to peel all the plastic off, making it look worse because it's stuck.
Who invited this guy? I haven't been around for a while. I gotta make up, peeling stuff off.
Jeez, guy, it looks like crap now. This is how we need to roll in style next year. We'll have James bring his low boy. There's a heck of a tug of war going on. Watching him take off his big like snowcat vehicle. All right, guys, this is what SEMA's about right here. Look at this. It's a family event. You leave both car seats in the car for SEMA.
Heck yeah, dude.
We got the sweet diamond stitch covers.
They're one of the sponsors.
Oh, there you go. What's up, buddy?
The seat's part of the
Safety
build?
first.
All right, everybody. Nick, Scoble Motorsports.
What up, what up? 61141, come see us.
Dang, these guys got the plugs down. Wow. I don't even know my booth number. Guys, Dedek found us a secret spot back here. We got floor scrubbers. We got a sweeper back here. Oh, jeez, what's up, Chris? Fired up. What are you taking? Chris taking the pallet jack?
No keys.
Oh, there's no key?
What are you guys doing?
Oh, shh. We are continuing to explore. We found this super sweet unattended meeting room, but look at this view. This is sick. Boys, this is like if we like own this place.
Brian, anything to do with the forklift drivers sketching me out?
Can we see the Bronco from here? Oh, there's too many signs in the way.
What do you got going on over here?
There's a lady laying down. Oh, she stretched. Oh, hey, get it, Dedek. Yo, check this out. We got an open balcony. Dude, this is gangster. This is where we need to be.
Thursday, grab me a folding chair and I'll go pop a seat and see how long it takes for somebody to come get me.
What, out there on that ledge?
Yeah.
Bro.
Thursday's the last day. What does it matter? Are they gonna kick me out?
All right, the boys have called me over to tell me I don't have the coolest Bronco here.
Sorry, bud. This one's
pretty sick.
It's pretty sick. Apparently, I heard someone say that you can get it from Ford like this. I don't know if that's real.
I don't think that's real.
ARB lockers. Oh yeah, see, I told you it was Spider Tracks 10. So yeah.
Dedic, speak up, man. We can't hear you.
I can't. I'm on loud right now.
All of a sudden you can't talk.
All right, Chris, you got to stand in for Dedic today. Dedic will be the one that doesn't talk.
I just gotta say that 40s. Where's your 40s?
Spider Tracks rear axle. Drop in.
Spider Tracks real axle. Drop in.
What a drop in third member. You forgot third member.
Third member.
Oh, nice. Chris, this thing's pretty freaking rad. Some Nitto Trail Grappler 42s. Dedic, you told me this was 40s. These are 42s, buddy.
I didn't look. This is what I like.
That's cool.
I like how they've molded that in because I didn't like how they really it seemed like it was too steep of an angle.
Gotcha.
This is I do kind of like this.
Jeez, that's some tight tolerances there, getting all them shocks in there.
Look from this angle. Look from this angle going up.
Oh, ooh, that axle's dope.
Yeah, the Spider Tracks.
Dedic gonna build me one of these?
Let's do it, dog. It's got the long arm links for the long travel. I can't talk right now. My voice is gone. I'm sorry, guys.
Well, Dedic has found his vehicle here. Dedic, this is you, dog. This spells you right here.
It's not even that cool. He just threw tracks on it, which makes it awesome.
What do you mean it's not even that cool, man? This thing's sick.
I mean, it's sick. Don't get me wrong, but it's the tracks that make it.
Come on, dude. Look at that bumper. This thing's rad.
It's a gremlin.
Oh. So there's a lot of giant, beautiful trucks out here. I mean, we can see down this whole line right here. Just ran into John. John, what do we got here? Was it a 21, 22?
2020 F350
Okay.
Lariat. So we have Morimoto headlights and taillights. I know they just came out the taillights and a third brake light. We didn't do the third brake light. Cutting Edge Off-Road did the grill. These are brand new release Bodyguard Freedom Series bumpers. We just picked up whatever lighting we can get.
I love the honesty, John.
30x16 KG1 Forge. I don't remember the exact style. They're the ones that actually did the two-tone. So they did it at their warehouse.
Nice.
42, 16.5 R30 Fury MT.
Okay, so I've never been in a truck on 30s. How does it ride?
It rides amazing. I was getting about 10 mpg. Crazy enough, we actually drove it from New Jersey all the way down to Wyoming where I have it stationed.
Nice.
And we were getting about 18 mpg on stocks.
Okay.
And then on these from Wyoming to here, we were getting about 10 mpg.
Appreciate a man that drives his stuff all the way to SEMA. That's rad.
I don't make a lot. This is a military build, so.
There you go. People don't realize how expensive it is to ship vehicles across the country. Everyone's like, oh, you should go to Texas, just ship your truck there. Like $6,000 later there and back, maybe, if you're lucky. From the East Coast, probably 9, 10 grand.
Yeah, I think that's what we were quoted, about 9 grand. 15-inch Wicked custom suspension. Interior Kratos Customs did something special for me. One of the guys on our team did his entire Starlight kit. Here with the Goliath kit.
Nice.
Gen Y glory pole up in the bed. We did a custom audio setup, 2 power bass XL 650s and a bed box, so I can still fit everything underneath and actually put stuff in the bed box if needed.
Killer work, brother.
Thank you.
All right, the camera's not here. You're telling me about how sick this is.
Okay, it's very sick.
Nailed it. All right, we're out of here.
Done.
So we've been talking for probably like a year now, right?
Yeah.
We're fellow Bronco owners, almost identical Bronco owners.
Yes, well, used to be. Now you branched off pretty heavily.
You do a lot of custom cool work, right? I mean,
Try
what's
to
like
random fabrication, just obscure vehicles.
Nice.
Is really kind of what I focus on.
Okay, well, and we have one right here.
Yeah, for sure. From this to shuttle buses to random scooters, wheelchairs to 18-wheelers is really what I like to say.
So you're saying we need to move next door to you and just build cool stuff all day?
Absolutely.
All right.
Yeah, Smart Runner 2009 Smart Car was the donor. It's now got a full rally specs set up.
Nice.
So it's long travel, 8-inch coilovers, but nets about 10 inches of travel front and back. Fabricated everything. I mean, from A-arms to bumpers to shock mounts.
What kind of coilover? I mean, where do you find like
This
coilovers?
is from a company called Flat Out Motorsports. And
Okay.
they build rally spec stuff for really random vehicles. I mean, from Subarus to vans. I mean, just really, really crazy.
So now smart cars.
Yeah, exactly. So, they now have a Smart Runner spec shock. Hopefully I'll have a kit out in about 6 months or so.
So you fabricated the entire suspension setup.
Entire suspension, bumpers, sliders,
The sliders
body
are
all
sick.
to hell, XO rack.
Oh, this is cool. You even like,
Yeah, pretty much anything you see in here that doesn't look like a
look
purchased
how clean
piece.
that is. So you went through the cab,
Correct.
and then where's that mounted to?
That actually just mounts back here into the B pillar.
Okay.
And then the front one goes through and then mounts into a strut bar.
Look how clean that is though. Like all the factory body panels hide that on the interior there. I like that, man. That is super rad.
It came out cool. I had to build tools to build the rack because I had no way of like radiusing tubing. I had benders, but nothing to put a nice gradual radius in.
So rad. I mean, coming back here, clearly, I mean, this thing's ready to go on an off-road expedition, right?
Yeah, a little micro lander.
Miniature everything. What do we got? A little refrigerator, or what's going on here?
Fridge. I tried to scale everything to the size of the vehicle.
Dude, the amount of work it takes just to find the stuff.
For sure.
To fit the
dude,
stuff.
and I've made some of it. You know, some of it started as normal size stuff that I've just sectioned.
Dude, I love the level of detail
here.
here.
It's actually supposed to be a console for a CJ.
Oh no, really?
Yeah.
That's awesome. And then tying color scheme all the way back to the bike. Even you custom built this, right?
Correct. Yeah, this started life as a pretty old Super 73 S1, and just started building panels for it. KC kicked in lights. We came up with a whole nother power system to run the lights and the tail lights and that kind of stuff. So
that is so awesome.
it's a fun little bike. It'll do about 30 miles an hour, and you get about a 75, 100-mile range on it.
The pressure's on.
Pressure's on.
The pressure's on.
Look at that.
How do you feel? What do you think?
We're doing aluminum?
Yeah.
Get it, girl.
Yeah.
Get it, girl.
I gave props to Shannon on this, and it didn't get recorded. I was like, Shannon does a great job. She's doing a great job.
Hardworking videographers here. All right, so we're at the H&S booth here. We're looking at an aluminum welder. I just got all the specs on it, and I wish I could regurgitate that, but I can't. So we'll get somebody over here in a minute. I'm just assuming I'm just going for it now. We're gonna see. I've never welded aluminum. No spool gun. This seems really good. Look at that. The size of that tip. I think we didn't do too bad. We didn't do too bad.
Which one is it?
It's the only one right here. Which one is it? Jeez.
It's the one on that table.
Yeah, right? How'd I do, Derek? Am I all right?
Alright.
Am I all right?
Did you like it? A little slower and a little faster.
Whose is better?
Well,
Yours,
listen, I
yours
had
or
to adjust the
George's?
speed.
Yours or George's?
Zach, what do you think, buddy? Did I do okay?
Did you get a little?
I started slow.
A little speedy at the end, or a little fast?
Well, I feel like faster was better. Come on, Zach, right? You gonna talk?
That's about to say.
You gonna talk?
That's the CWI right here. Thanks. Thanks, man.
You single for
Y'all thought.
I mean, I guess it's all right, Zach. I mean, you know, I guess it's all right, buddy.
I should have done.
Yeah, you did all right.
Am I still doing a job?
Yeah, you still got a job. You're good, Rob. You're good. Daddy, get in here.
Derek, run.
Daddy, get in here.
I'll close those shoes. You don't know you got the process.
You need shoes here. I'll take my shoes off of you. There you go. Perfect. You got some steel toe. Missed. Sheet stick. All right, guys, well, we decided to take a break here. We are in the Black Series Be With Nature. These are like overlanding trailers, I believe, like off-roading trailers, which typically when you want a trailer that's built to go off-road, you sacrifice a lot of stuff. And this one's actually pretty rad. Dad, are you comfortable over there on the bed?
It's a nice bed, dog. I like it. 10 out of 10.
You think it's the one?
I think it's the one. Wrap it up, take it home.
Plenty of room.
Dude, go check out the bathroom.
Plenty of leg room. Little.
What's this?
Oh, is that a washing machine?
Dang, dude. Fit in it. Let's find out. All right. Will 3 of us fit, dog? Comfortably, man.
It'd be nice if we had lights on in here, guys. Oh, you got this. Hey, hey, there are lights in here. Nice. Oh, whoa, whoa, there's a party up in here.
Oh, this thing is just terrifying. I don't know, isn't this sketchy? Nobody's safe out here when this thing's here.
You just caught me off guard of like catching me off guard, bro. What's your name?
My name's Zach.
So Zach just walked up with me. Look at this, dude.
Yep.
That's actually a great picture, man.
It is a great picture.
That is
It is a
rad.
great picture.
Heck yeah, dude. I'm surprised you got that quality. Looking good.
Yep.
Brother. Looking good.
Yep. Gotta support.
Heck yeah, Zach. That is rad, man. I would love to sign that.
Thank
for
you. I have a few if you don't mind.
No, no problem. Are these going on eBay?
Nope.
Dude, I'm surprised you're getting pictures this good off Instagram. That's impressive.
Those are really nice, yeah.
Zach's more prepared than I've ever been.
Yeah.
And then what are the odds we just run into each other right now?
Yep. There's odds.
Awesome, brother. Nice meeting you.
Yep.
Appreciate the support. All right, guys, check this Bronco out. We're got another one here running the Baja Kits setup, but they got rad flow shocks. And they are also running Fiberworks fenders on it. This is a very, very cool look. I like it. A little different wheel tire setup than I'm running. I actually really do like the white wheels. I think it really goes good with kind of the graphics they put up on here. Oh, and oh, look at this. Look at this. We even got one of the pumpers pumping some fresh air into the helmets. I think you're ready for the Baja. Should we take mine to the Baja, Chris?
You won't.
You right. You right.
Speak up, buddy. I can't hear you.
Yeah, speak up.
That's my loudest volume. That's my loudest. I'm sorry. Any louder and I start like breaking and cracking.
Hey Zach, we're ready to the test. How you doing? Hey, face towards me, please. Zach, 1, 2. Don't make me get to 3.
Hey, dog, on first line.
What? Dude, this is cool.
Oh, right there. You gotta keep an eye out for this kind of stuff.
You want to go on pit stop? Can we get one more person?
Yeah, Zach can sit in between us.
Yeah.
This thing got ludicrous mode.
This is a plan.
So how far is the tunnel? Or like
1.6 miles.
1.6 miles?
I think we can do that in like 45 seconds.
Yeah, how fast we go? 35, 40?
25 miles an hour.
25 miles an hour?
We going to west or south?
West. Are you tired of driving at 25 miles per hour all day?
Yeah, it's usually 30 on turns and 40 on straightaways, but there's a lot of cars out right now. Yeah, 25 is kind of too slow.
That's what I'm saying. We can go a little faster. Cool. You having fun, buddy?
Mm-hmm. Best ride so far.
I know, right?
It's also the only ride. That's how the law works, Chris.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Can y'all just leave the doors open on your way?
Hold on a second. Hold on. Let me get them out.
Hey bud, tell me who you are. Tell me why you're here. You're doing a horrible job at this thing. Dude, Chris, the entire time we were getting in line at Tesla, he's like this, asking me questions. I'm like, dog, are you gonna like pull the camera out of my face?
Zach over here sampling the finest of cuisines. What do we got, Zach? You hit up Italy? Nice. Was this cooked in a stone oven? This is from, oh, we can't see the name over there. I don't know what it is. You didn't go to the Roost Farm Fresh Chicken? No. Alrighty guys, so we are freezing to death right now. It is so cold and overcast and freaking windy. We're gonna wrap up as always. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button now that you do not miss out on any future content. Don't forget to give this video a like and get a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out workfortheapparel.com because if there's anything you want in life, you gotta be willing to work for it. You guys are the best. I'm out.
Damn. Yeah. Yeah.